That's great, Wilkins. You just thinking you are. Oh no, that was feathers, Wilkins. You are allergic to. Wait, he's gonna sneeze to smell. Oh no. Achoo! Whoa.